Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Chandbagh School, Physics Department, Grade 7, Lesson number 11. Dear, in this lesson, we are going to discuss the human body and the people who study human body. Now, in this lesson, we will try to define the human body study and the people who study human body and the function of these people. So, basically, human body consists of you see cells and tissues and organs and organ system. So it's a very complex system uh, of engineering. So the body is studied by health professionals, psychologists, anatomists, and artists to assist them in their work, like neurologists and physiologists, etc. So the study of each and every part of the body is done by the professional and scientists. So uh, like moving parts of upper and lower arm, this is also study of human body. So we have parts in detail. So the first person we would like to mention here, uh, the professional rather, is anatomists. Anatomists study the structure of human body. These anatomists actually use different kind of technology to study the inner parts of the body without you see operation and cut it to open. So they use technology like X-ray, CAT scan, MRI. So this is a very complex technology which can give you the pictorial images of each and every organ inside the body. So doctor do not need to cut it open to study that or particular organ. So using X-ray, we can the anatomists study the X-rays by the bone structure, and if there is a fracture in the bone, so on and so forth. Similarly, CAT scan, even the you see each and every part of the brain, it can show in the form of the scanned picture, and similarly MRI. So these are the technologies which anatomists use to study the human body. Now there is another person who is also the professionalist, who is basically physiologist, and the physiologists study how the body works. There are different kinds of physiologists. Here are two examples uh, of many physiologists. One is the sports physiologist and other is neuroscientist. The sports physiologist, as it is obvious from its name, that he is who basically study the life processes, how living system work at many levels, like molecular level, organ and system level, whole organisms level, how living system respond to physical activity and exercises, how living systems respond to environmental conditions like in hot weather, summer weather, in hot summer weather, or in winter, or in you see spring season. So how the body is responding to the environmental condition and how the genome translates into functions at different level. So I mean physiologist is a very important person, particularly for the in terms of sports. So similarly the neurologist He is also the person who is the professional of neurology. So neurology is the branch of medicine or biology that deals with the anatomy, functions, and organic disorders of nerves and the nervous system. So he is responsible to study the functions of nerves and how the brain is working and how the brain is responding to different signals, etc. So a sports physiologist studies athletes' body responses to training and exercises to assist them in enhancing and refining their athletic performance and overall fitness. They can work in many venues like in hospitals, in universities, and with the athletes and professional sports teams, as well as in medical clinics and gyms. Okay, thank you very much, dear students. In this lesson, we have discussed the people who study the human body, and I'm going to give you an assignment which you need to submit uh, before Sunday. So you need to learn, draw the diagram of human skull, movable joints, elbow, and upper and lower arm muscles. Also, you must label the parts. So, a beautiful, basically, you need to learn without seeing the diagram and without seeing the labels. So, you must send me this exercise before Sunday, because then we will be going to start the next unit. So in the next lesson, the new unit will be discussed. But before that, we will also, in the next lesson, we will try to do some MCQs relating to this unit. Thank you very much, dear students. Stay safe.